G'day cocktail lovers. I have not made a milk clarified cocktail in a while. So I've done one. I have to try and remember to upload this on a Monday, so it can be the return of Milk Monday. The idea for this cocktail was actually kicked off by the fact I hit a blood orange season here in Australia, and I got a bag of blood oranges for a good price. Then I had a bunch of the orange juice. I thought, well, I clearly need to do something with this. And I thought, I will make a batch of a cocktail that features orange juice. And I went with the Blood and Sand. The Blood and Sand dates back about 100 years, and it's equal parts whiskey, cherry liqueur, sweet vermouth, and orange juice. Not blood orange juice traditionally, but that's what I have. So we're getting all the red things in there, and it's traditionally made with Scotch. I used another whiskey I have. Basically, once you're putting it into a clarified cocktail, the subtleties of any Scotch or other whiskey are going to be lost anyway in the clarification process. So don't worry too much about what you did. But it's time for a taste test. I have not yet tasted this. Oh, I love that. The cherry is under there. The orange juice is in there. I always love how often with a clarified cocktail, when you're using a citrus, the citrus tends to be a more noticeable flavor than some of the spirits. At least that's how it tastes to me. Let me show you how I made this one. As I said, this is an equal parts cocktail. So it's 1 part of orange juice, blood orange in my case. We add to that 1 part whiskey, then adding to that 1 part of sweet vermouth, and finally 1 part cherry liqueur. We want to add that to the milk element in a ratio of about 4:1, and the milk I'm using is actually a mix of dairy milk and coconut milk. We add the cocktail to the milk mixture and give that a bit of a stir to get it integrated, and then we leave it to sit for a while until we start to see separation. Could be anywhere from half an hour to a couple of hours if you want to wait that long. Then we pour that through a coffee filter and we let the magic happen. When we pour that through the coffee filter, remember that it's actually the curds that do the clarifying, not the filter. So the curds have to settle to the bottom of the filter. The first liquid that goes through your filter won't be completely clear, it'll be cloudy. So let it run for a little while and then put that lot back through. Alternatively, put the entire mixture through more than once. And when the filtering is finished, all that's left to do is enjoy. Pour it over a big chunk of sexy clear ice, and I like to garnish with a twist of orange peel and a maraschino cherry on a skewer. You know I'm a fan of the clear ice, and particularly with clarified cocktails. It really shows off both the drink and the ice, in my opinion, and it looks cool, it makes it a bit more of an experience, and cocktails, you know, it's not just the taste, although that's the big one, but it's what you have and what you savor. So I really recommend you try the clear ice, and don't forget there'll be a link right about now to show you my method, which is the easiest, simplest, doesn't take up all your freezer space, doesn't require particularly special equipment. It's a miracle! Make your clear ice at home and just enjoy it in cocktails like this one. But I do hope you're enjoying yourself, whatever you're doing, wherever you are, and I do hope to see you again sometime soon. Until I do, I will say cheers.